We'll be talking about different tools and different systems that you could use to accelerate and scale your business to the next level. I'm a person who will help you to find out systems that will help you automate and grow your business to the next level. All right, welcome back to day 7 of using automation to grow your business. And right now we are talking about ChatGPT. We'll be talking about different tools and different systems that you could use to accelerate and scale your business to the next level. And ChatGPT is one of them. And Google is releasing their own AI engine, and eventually Facebook is going to be releasing their own engine. But the concept is going to be same. So I'm not just a ChatGPT training guy. I'm a person who will help you to find out systems that will help you automate and grow your business to the next level. So today I'm going to talk about specifically how to create a website in 24 hours. Let's say you want to create a fancy, beautiful website within 24 hours. And you want to get it done like really right away. And that's it. Tomorrow you have an important conference and you want to get that done. And that was not a possibility like probably 3 months ago, right? You needed to come up with the content. You need to figure out how to do these things. So I'm going to show you how to get your content. And the biggest thing is the developers usually will develop the thing and then you don't know how to place the content, what to place, and you have no clue like how to write it. And you're sitting down and you have writer's block. That's why you want to listen to this. So if you want to build a website and you don't know how to do it and you want to do it in 24 hours under $100, I'll give you a specific way that you could use to build a website under $100. And there are so many ways, but I'll be teaching you one way to do this, the way I would probably do it if I was trying to build a website. So I'm going to use my own example to share and teach this with you. Okay, so awesome. So essentially, since ChatGPT or OpenAI has like so many users, it's really difficult to go to chat.openai.com. That situation probably will change. So it's at capacity right now. So you will see that like millions and millions of people are trying to use and leverage this thing. So which means you don't have access to it. If you don't have access to it, you could start an account. You could go to platform.openai and you could have a paid service. But this is not going to be an issue. Maybe when you're listening to this video or watching this video, this might not be an issue at all. So in order to create a website, so it's very simple. You just need to say, in order to create a website, I have a prompt here, and which I'm going to place every prompt I'm placing on the video to create website content for. This is, for example, for me. I'm not giving any more details about me. I'm just saying Global Entrepreneur Ruble Chandy is the author of international bestselling book on conscious business strategies, 90 Days to Life. And the creator of Online Business Accelerator workshop. Create content for homepage, about us, services, products, and probably contact us. Okay, so that's it, right? So it will create the initial content for you, for your website. Essentially, this is a level 1 of website creation. Create a website content, create website content for, just describe the situation. The more accurate your description is, we help businesses in 14 different countries to accelerate and scale to $10 to $100 million. So all of a sudden it's slightly more clear. So the more clarity you bring in, the better and more efficient ChatGPT can generate the content for you. So it's very specific and it's just really brief details. And I'll in the next level, I'll explain to you how you could enhance it to make it even better, even more exciting, even more fun stuff. So it created the homepage, about us page, services page, contact us page, all customizing. But do you see that? I didn't even tell them anything else. Like it said 90 Days to Life, business consulting, 90 Days to Life, a journey from turmoil to triumph, Online Business Accelerator workshop, business coaching, business strategy development, products. We provide wide range of products. By the way, this might not be accurately your products, but you could change it to your products, right? 90 Days to Life. So they put if you have any questions, or would like to learn more about our services, contact us. You can reach us by email protected, and call us at giving an example. We look forward to hear from you. So this will generate the basic content. Like this is a 5-minute thing, right? Now you want to go to the next level. So what I will do is I'll save this content. So it's like sample website content. By the way, you don't need to go to the playground. You could actually go to level 1. So this way I know where we have it. Okay, so it says sample website content. So what we will do is we will create, yeah, it is saved. Okay, but if it's chat.gpt, openai.com, if that's the case, it will actually automatically save it for you. So you don't need to be thinking about it. Okay, cool. So let's say you want to go to one more level and you want to get like deeper into homepage. So which means that create, so let's say homepage content. Page content. So essentially, so you would say sample, and whatever it give you, that is a sample that you're going to give it back to ChatGPT. And let's say you're going to cut everything else, and you cut everything else, and you'll for my brand using the sample below. So you could say company. So you could say company, and all of a sudden it says a company. And you could like take one more level if you want, and you could say customer. You could say businesses doing $300,000 to $80 million. Okay. Correct. So this is a sample, and you could be very specific and say homepage content. You could say something like focus on the 3 major benefits. Describe my customers' pain better than they themselves do. So now you're taking one more level to the website thing, and you're going to the homepage and you're building your homepage. Basically, you probably need like 4 or 5 things, right? You need a homepage, you need a service page, you need a product page, you need a contact us page, and you need kind of an about us page, right? So that the homepage, it's going to build it for you right now. And it, as it is building, I am starting up something and let it build. So I'm going to use my account as it's building. I'm going to use, I have an account with Fiverr. So essentially, like once these pages are done, you go to this website, website development. We go to the website called fiverr.com, and then you are looking for people who have like 500, 200 to 500, or at least 100 or above, 100 or above reviews, and then they are below $100 for building your website. So look for design. So so she's done. So we'll come back to the website in a second. So this will create the home page. Like that, you could change home page to product page, to service page, contact us page, all kind of pages. All of a sudden, you have enough content for your website to start with, right? And the whole thing can be done in less than 1 hour if you just go dig deeper and deeper into it, right? And there is no level 3 for it, and there is level 3 is actually building it, which I could potentially like do a video on. If you want to learn more about building websites, happy to do that. You could actually design the entire website using AI right now, even without using a designer. But right now we are going to stick on the idea of using a designer to do this. But eventually I'll show you how to use like AI-based systems to even design your entire homepage and entire design for the page, so that you could just basically give to a simple website developer and get this done like even faster for even lower cost. But we are okay with $100. So let's assume that we are okay with $100 and you want to spend that money, and you have the website content ready. So you'll go to this website called Fiverr and you tell them, I want to build a website, and you would say something like, remember the sample website content, and you had the services, the homepage, about us, services, products, and contact us, and you tell them, I need all these menus and I need some information, and you have all the contents ready. You put that in a Google document and share it with this person. So what you're looking for here is you're looking for people with the highest review. So if you look at it, when you have a look at it, you will have a sense of whose design are you resonating with. I am resonating with this guy a little bit. I'm resonating with this guy too, this guy or this gal. So I could see that this guy will be able to do an okay work. So he's starting at 90, and probably he's going to charge more, slightly more. So let's say he is. So I'm going to stick with this guy because he seemed to be like having a good design idea. So a responsive design, premium UI, editable website. So essentially, he has a single page website. We need we need more than a single page website. So probably so the other website is 275. The premium design website is plus e-commerce. You definitely don't need e-commerce in this particular example. So he's 275. So you might actually need 5 pages. So in that case, he's charging 275 because he's kind of a premium guy, because I could sense that he is like really good at design. But there would be other people. I'm just using it as an example. There could be other people in this itself who are willing to do it for like $100 or less if you want to do that. So I'm just scanning through this. This guy is not bad, but they are all charging more money. More and more money. Custom Elementor website, 95. Not enough review. So 42. This person has good review, and probably a new person, but she has 5-star review starting at 25. So I'm seeing that $80. She will design 4 pages. Okay. So premium itself, she's charging only 120. I mean, I don't know she or he, but it's showing a picture somehow. I think that it was a woman, but it's web art creation, man or woman. So you could see that for standard website, 4 pages, you will charge only 80. So essentially, you could go here, continue, contact the seller, and give that information. And you could tell them basically, I need the thing. So it's a 3-day delivery. So essentially, you need to reach out to them and tell them, hey, I need the website done in 24 hours. And I'm willing to pay $100 for the basic one or standard one. I'm willing to pay to $100. Could you go ahead and do this, get it done in 24 hours, and then they will do it for you. So that's one way to do it. You could do the same thing with Upwork too, upwork.com, and get that done as well. So the bottom line is you need the content ready, and that content is ready in 24 hours. And you could actually reach out to somebody and then get everything set up and then create the content. And then once the content is ready, you could basically bring that content to them, and they finish the content, the website is ready, and you're good to go. It's that simple in order to start a business now, right? You want to make it like really, really easy. And you could use like systems like Wix.com, Wix.com. There are so many websites that will let you build your own website for a very small monthly fee or things like that. So you could use that. There are WordPress themes that you could use if you want to do it yourself. So this way you don't even need to spend any money on a website. But the bottom line is you could get the entire thing done in 24 hours or less. So that's how you would use playground.openai.com. In your case, if you don't want to pay, chat.openai.com to build a website within 24 hours. So I'll see you next video. In the next video, I'm going to talk about how to I'm actually looking to see what am I going to talk about. Yeah, so I'm going to talk about how to market test your product. Now you have a product, a fascinating product that I'm really excited to share with the world, but you don't know how to test the product. So I want to talk about how you can create a market test to see if your product is working, if that is something that is interesting for the market before you actually release the product. That's what we're going to talk about tomorrow. All right, I'll see you tomorrow on day 8 of using AI to build and scale your business. Talk to you tomorrow.